Hello, welcome you to the wonderful world of wealth resources in India. Today, we are going to discuss about road, rail, water and air transport. Different types of transport are shown in this picture. We are going to see how these varied means of transport influencing the development of our nation. The efficient mode of transport is essential for ensuring the required raw materials in the areas of production and to bring the products to the consumers. Modes of transport are selected in accordance with the physical characteristics of each region. The arrival of railway, the industrial sector of India became advanced. You heard about it? Commonly, these used transport in India are road, railway, water and air transport. First of all, we are going to discuss about road transport. Road transport is the most important means to link the rural and urban centers scattered throughout the country. On the basis of construction and management, roads are classified into four. The classification of roads are national highways, state highways, district roads and village roads. What is national highway? National highways are the major roads in the country linking to the state capital, major cities, ports, etc. The Union Ministry is responsible for the construction and management of such national roads. Which are the major national highways through Kerala? They are NH 66, it is from Panaveli to Kanyakumari. Another one is NH 966, it is from Farooq to Palakkad. And another one is NH 966A, it is from Kalamassery to Vallarpadam. Next, the National Highway 966B, it is from Kundannur to Wellington Island, etc. are major national highways passed through India. Next one is state highways. What is state highway? State highways are the major roads connecting the state capitals with the district headquarters. State governments are responsible for the construction and maintenance of such roads. Another one is district roads. District roads are those linking the district headquarters with the important places within the district. These roads are built and maintained by district panchayats. And another one is village roads. Village roads are those ensuring the domestic movements within the villages. More than 80% of the roads in India are village roads. The construction and maintenance of such roads are done by the local self-governments. Do you hear about Golden Quadrangle Superhighway? The 6-line superhighways connecting the metropolitan cities in India such as Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata are together named as Golden Quadrangle Superhighway. The National Highway Authority of India is responsible for such roads. Now, we discuss about railway transport. Did you travel in trains at least once? The biggest transporting means is railway. There are many people work in a railway field. Do you hear about the first rail transport in India? The rail transport in India was started in the year 1853. The first train ran along the 34 kilometers long rail between Mumbai and Thane. The largest railway network of Asia is in India. The Indian Railways is also the largest public sector undertaking in India. In India, railway transport is equally important for cargo as well as passenger transport. Railway plays a distinctive role or a vital role in the industrial development of India. For administrative convenience, the Indian Railways is divided into 16 zones. Do you ever notice the gauge width of rails? Is it same in everywhere? No. The width of rail gauge is different based on gauge width of rails. Rail gauge is classified into three. They are broad gauge, meter gauge and narrow gauge. Observing this table, we can evaluate or examine different gauges. First one is broad gauge. The width of broad gauge is between the rail is 1.676 meters and proportionate rail length in India is 74%. And next one is meter gauge. The width of meter gauge is between the rails is 1 meter and the proportionable rail length in India is 21%. And next one is narrow gauge. The width between the rails is 672 meters or 610 meters. Proportionate rail length in India is 5%. The project to replace meter gauge and narrow gauge tracks to broad gauge are on at an accelerated pace. The steam engine have given away to diesel and electric locomotives. Metro rail projects are being established in the major cities. Did you heard about Kochi Metro? Kochi Metro is the 8th metro in India and first metro in Kerala. It is connected between Aluva to Peta. It is inaugurated on 17 June 2017 by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And the project director of this Kochi Metro is E. Sridharan. Okay. Now, we are going to discuss about water transport. Do you heard about water transport? Do you travel through waterways in Alappuzha, Kuttanad regions in Kerala? It is very famous for this inland water transport. Water transport is the most convenient means of transport cargo on a large scale. Let's see the common advantages of water transport. First one is, it is cheapest means to transport. And also, it is very suitable for large scale cargo transport. And it does not cause environmental pollution and most suited for international trade. Water transport can generally be classified into two. That is, inland water transport and marine transport. Water bodies like rivers and lakes are used for inland water transport. Water bodies used for inland water transport in India are Ganga, Brahmaputra rivers and their tributaries, Godavari, Krishna river and their tributaries, Buckingham Canal of Andhra, Tamil Nadu regions, Mandovi and Zuvari rivers of Goa and also the backwaters of Kerala. 5 of the inland waterways in India were declared as national waterways after the formation of Inland Water Transport Authority in the year 1986. First one is National Waterway First. It is from Ahmedabad to Haldia in the river Ganga and the average length is about 1620 kilometers. And next is National Waterway Second. It is from Sadia to Dubri in the river of Brahmaputra and the length is about 891 kilometers. And next, National Waterway 3. It is from West Coastal Canal in Kerala from Kollam to Kottapuram. The average length is about 205 kilometers. And another one is National Waterway 4. It is canal from Kakinada to Pondicherry linking Godavari and Krishna rivers. And the approximative length is about 1095 kilometers. And another one is National Waterway 5. It is from Brahmani and Mahanadi Delta river system linked to East Coast Canal and the length is about 623 kilometers. Inland water transport is utilized not only for passenger and cargo transport but also for fishing and tourism. There are about 12 major and 185 minor ports situated in the west and east coast of India. The major ports in India are Kandila, Mumbai, Nabasheva, Marmagoba and Mangalore, Kochi, Thoothukudi and Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Haldia, Kolkata, etc. Next, we are going to discuss about air transport. Air traffic in India is under the control of Airport Authority of India. There are 126 airports including 11 international airports under this establishment. The international and domestic flight services are respectively handled by the corporations Air India and the Indian Airlines. A number of private companies also operated flight services in India. Major international airports in Kerala are Thiruvananthapuram, Nedumbasseri, Kozhikode and Kannur. The headquarters of South Naval Command in Kochi, the first airport in India built in public sector. Dear students, in this session, we discussed about various means of transport and these advantages. Let us meet in the next session. Thank you.